What is up, you guys? Welcome to this new video. Today I'm starting the video here at the track. We're gonna run the quarter mile. Let's see what we can do. Last time I came here I had a blown turbo and I was only boosting about 4 psi and I got 75, so let's see if we can get some more with more boost on here. It's kind of a little warm, so let's hope I don't get any heat soak. Alright, so we're gonna get checked in. Got a lot of things going on today. Got a lot of things going on with my bug, mostly my gas pedal. Then Cooper's trying to fix his O2 sensor. Cooper's gutting his bug. Maybe he'll go a little faster. Probably gut mine. Oh, by the way, the guy driving the Corvette down the still got to organize everything, then I'll probably take out my subwoofer. Getting ready, the first run. Been waiting for a long time. I don't think they've even called us, so we're gonna go in a bit. So a lot happened. Went to the track. Didn't go as I expected. I didn't record much. I'm going to be installing a roller pedal. So I went to the track a few days ago. So when I ran, my accelerator pedal broke. It got stuck, so I was basically going half throttle, and I ended up getting 72 at like 21, which is like super bad. I just right from the launch, I didn't even get anything good. So we're gonna be changing it right now. So the accelerator pedal is basically done. The spring that goes right there is no good anymore. The bracket that holds onto it is basically like so bent. So I'm gonna take it off and just replace it with this roller pedal. It's basic. I think it's an Ampy, so I'm gonna replace it. So basically all I gotta do is just basically push this pin out, push it out that way. I'm doing it from the passenger side, so it's gonna be like really hard to do it. Alright, got that pin out. Now I gotta do is remove this. Alright guys, so got this pin out. I didn't take the whole pedal assembly because I still got it hooked up to the clutch line. So this is the pin that comes out, and I ordered 2 kits, one for the roller and one for the pedal replacement. Came with this new pin, so this pin goes through here and through here. The original pin goes through here. So I'm gonna save this one, and this roller pedal goes in there and it holds on with the pin. So I'm gonna put that, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be installing a new accelerator. Here it is. Here's a new one. What I'm gonna do is grease it up and make it a little slick. So gonna remove the old one. Ordered this one on Amazon, just got it today, and I actually ordered it yesterday. It comes with both ends. I'm only gonna use the one on the right side because that's the one that I need to use for the roller pedal. So I'm gonna get the other one removed ASAP and put this one in right now. I got the accelerator cable on. I put a stiffer spring, and there it is. It's on. Gonna turn it on and just recheck my timing because I was kind of shooting a little bit of some pops that I don't need, so it's just kind of backfiring when I accelerate. So I'm gonna fix that. My speedometer stopped working, so I'm gonna have to change the cable.
cruising down here. It's so nice outside. It's pretty windy. Look at that view. Put it back in gear in a bit. It's been a while since I've driven the bug and it's kind of acting up, so. Look at that. Woo! That looks nice. Feels so nice to drive in the bug right now. Loving it. There's that Amazon building. It just built it this year, finished building it this year.
Alright guys, so I raced the Focus ST. I beat it pretty bad on a 50 roll, but on the 30 roll, I can't do 30 rolls. Low rolls, it's not. I mean, I'm not good at low rolls, 30 rolls, or anything like that. So he got me pretty bad, but it was pretty fun. The bug's running really good. I think I'm just having issues with the ignition coil having contact, so I'm gonna get that fixed pretty soon. I got it fixed. All I gotta do is just make sure it gets good connection, but it's kind of loose. So it'll be it for this video, and hope you guys have a good one. The bug runs really good with the new cable, the new pedal. I really like it, so still getting used to it. Roller pedal and regular accelerator pedal is way different, so it's pretty cool. But that'll be it for this video, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace.